Hey Joe, this is Christina. I told you I'd get you a video over with some tips on how to set your company above your competition. We're going to talk about three things today: content, citations, and backlinks. And the first thing is going to be content. You need about 1,000 to 1,500 words in order to be optimized with Google. And you're currently sitting at about 600 or 700. So that would be my first suggestion, is getting over that 1,000 words on your homepage. When you look at your #1 competitors, I searched Carpet Cleaning Detroit to go out a little further from you. It looked like you were ranking for your local city, but I don't know how far out you'll go. But Detroit, sometimes people are going to search just Detroit, even if they're in northern Detroit and are looking for those services. So you'll see here that about 320 people a month are searching for Carpet Cleaning Detroit. Let's say that even just a third of those are the ones from North Detroit, where you would service. That's still, over 100 customers a month that you're missing out on by not being on the first page of the Carpet Cleaning Detroit Google search. So when you look at your competitors, the #1 spot here comes to Chemdry.com, because you've got Yelp. That's obviously a directory, but Chemdry.com is the #1 spot for Detroit, and they have the way that I look up the words is just pulled up a word counter. And they're sitting at 1,200 words. So you'll see there that you need to beat them out with the amount of content you have, but making sure that it's got those keywords built into it. So I would start out with at least 1,500 since they have 1,200. The next thing we're going to talk about are citations. So you have a Google My Business, I already know that, and you have your information like your business name, phone number, and address in there. And what you want to do is you can get listed here in the top 3 with the Google Map Pack by getting the most amount of citations. And a citation is when you submit your information into those directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, CityStar, etc. So I plugged in Full Circle Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. They're the #1s against you in this tool that you can go out and get called whitespark.ca. It's about $30 to $70 a month. And you'll see that you have 37 citations and Full Circle Carpet only has 17 citations. So just by listing this keyword into your content on your home page, then you would actually beat them out in citations, and you can be higher up on the Google Map Pack for that search. Okay? And then the last thing that I want to talk about are backlinks, and we call it link juice, and basically it works like site A points to site B. Site B is the link juice that gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, like a popularity contest. So you can have more sites coming in, but there's more to it than that. You want to make sure the link juice is effective by having a relative site linking back to you. For example, a blog post about carpet cleaning is going to bring you more authority than a blog post about pizza, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So another tool I want to show you is called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. It costs about $100 a month, and it really gives a good breakdown of your site and what your competitors are doing. So currently you're sitting at 88 referring domains with 1.39 thousand backlinks. This is fantastic. This is why you're at the top when you search Sterling Heights carpet cleaning, because your competitors aren't pulling these numbers. But if you wanted to branch out more, you'll see that I plugged in that Chemdry in Detroit, and they have almost 100,000 backlinks, and they have over 38,000 people a month coming to their website. So you can definitely see where they're increasing their traffic. And you'll see here that when you break down the keywords, you can see, like, we find one specific to Detroit. So you can plug in Detroit. So Carpet Cleaning Detroit, here it's showing 250 search, and they're getting 27 people a month just for this one keyword. So the other thing that you can do is do some keyword research, and you can use this tool for that. Figure out the different kind of keywords that people are searching. See, like this one, Carpet Cleaning Detroit is one, but then Detroit Carpet Cleaning is another, getting another 200 searches that they're getting 21 traffic for. So that's what you want to work on, is getting that built into your content, and then also getting those backlinks with that anchor text in there, so that when they click on your link, if it says Carpet Cleaning Detroit, it comes back to your website. That's what anchor text is, and that's where you want to get it listed on different blogs. So in closing, we talked about content. You'll probably want to get closer to those 2,000 words so you can beat out your competition. Make sure that you're including more keywords in your content for other searches that are around you. And then citations, getting listed in more places. You probably have enough citations, you just need to get listed for those other keywords. But you can always build up more citations because you're going to come across different competition with different keywords. And then link juice, getting those sites listed back to you. You're already doing a great job, but what you can do is you can use this tool and go in the referring domains, see where they're getting listed, and go after those same links. So if you have any questions, you can call me at 816-323-4100. And if this is something you just don't think you have the time to do, give me a call. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching my video.